Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at doing extrusion type panel lines if you need these to stick out. The last time I showed you guys how to do panel lines in my last video, they were cut into the fuselage. So if you need to have them extrude like these here, I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do this. Okay. So first thing you want to do is just like last time, we're going to do an offset plane. So come up here to construct, offset plane. And since I did these on this side, I'm going to do these on this side. So I'm going to select this plane here, over here. See if I can get to it. Turn off this body, this plane here. And drag this over here. And like I said before, it doesn't matter how far this is from here. Just make sure that it's off of this body here. Go ahead and click OK. Then create a sketch on this plane here. Create sketch. Now, I'm going to, let's see, use the line tool and create some lines. Okay. Go ahead and finish sketch. Turn those sketches back on. Now, these are just some lines. So if you want to have actual panel lines, what you want to do is you'll have your canvas in here, and then you just sketch each one of these lines above the canvas. Okay. Now we got this in here. Now we want to use an extrude. So letter E for extrude. And change this over here to thin extrude. And we're going to select this line here. And drag this in. And change this down here to a new body. Go ahead and click OK. Now we have that there. Then we're going to split this, because this here is a new body. This. And now we're going to split this. So we select split body up here. And this is the body to split is this. And our splitting tool is going to be this. Then click OK. All right. Now we come over here and we can turn this off, because this now is another body. So like if I turn this off here, you can see we have these two here, and these are two bodies. So we're going to turn this one off, turn that main body back on, and you see this is still down in here. And the thickness of these panel lines, I forgot to tell you again, it's like when we come back here to extrude, the thin line extrude, the thickness is this right here. It's going to be your wall thickness. So if you want these panel lines to be thicker, just change this to a higher number, or smaller if you want it to be smaller, etc. All right. Now what we want to do is use our extrude. And we're going to extrude this. Let's turn off this. We're going to extrude this here. And the thickness of your panel lines, let's say you want them to be 1 millimeter thick or 0.5 millimeter, whatever, you just go ahead and add that value in here for that. I selected 1 millimeter and change this down here to, well, you don't have to do this, but I do, and change this to a new body. And then click OK. And the reason I say change that to new body is because you might do some, inner work on the fuselage and stuff like that, and you want these two to be separate. So now we can turn this off, and we can turn that main fuselage body back on. Now you can see these are sticking on, these are extruding from the outside. Then we just come up here to combine, and this is the target body, and select the tool body is this, and we click OK. Now we can turn the body off up here, and those are all connected. So it's just that simple to do that. And you can pretty much do the same thing. Let's say this circle over here, we can extrude this. Go the opposite direction this way. And select this here for a new body and click OK. Then we want to split this body here. So we come up here to split body. That's the body to split. And the splitting tool again is this. And we click OK. Now this split it from both sides. So we have two bodies over here. We can turn this one off. And we have this one over here. We can turn this one off too. Now we can use our extrude. Okay, now notice here you can't use the extrude for this top up here. So we'll go ahead and cancel that. So I'll come up here to modify and use press pull. And select this and this. And the distance, change this to 1. And click OK. I'll turn this back on, and you can see that's on the outside now. Just like that. And by using that offset, this is 1 millimeter from this surface too, at the top. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button if you like my videos. So that's how you do that to get those to extrude. And if you had a wing, let's go ahead and start something new up here, new design. And let's just say we had a make-believe wing. And one more line here. Okay, finish sketch here, then extrude this. Turn on the origin, and once again, we're going to do an offset plane. Construct offset plane. This, move this up. That'd be that high. That's good. Click OK. Turn this origin off. Then create a sketch on this plane. And we can put some panel lines in here. Finish sketch. Extrude, letter E. Change this to thin line. Select this. Pull this down. And change this to new body. Click OK. And then we're going to split body. This is the body to split. And this is the splitting tool. And click OK. Now we should have 3 bodies over here. And we do. There's the wing itself. There's that section there. And that section. So now what we want to do is turn this off, turn this on, and turn this on. Now, I'll try and extrude first here to extrude this, but it won't let me extrude that. The whole thing. Maybe it will, but it's only the bottom. It's extruding the bottom. It doesn't look like it's going to let me extrude this top here due to the curve. Yeah, that's correct. It's not going to let me extrude this due to this curve on the top of here. So what we do then, we let me turn this body off here. Come up here to modify and select press pull. And select the top, this. Now that lets me do that, the press pull. Extrude will not let you do an extrude due to the curve of this on the top of this wing. So now we have that, and then you would pull this up to the how thick you want your panel line to be. I'll just put 1 millimeter again, and then click OK. Then turn the wing back on, and you see this is extruding above. And we come up here to split body. This is the body to split. This here, click OK. Now we should have 4 like we do. And we turn off the internal one. Then you come up here to combine. And target body, tool body, make sure this is set join, and click OK. Now these two are connected. And these are the inside here. That's the top one, and that's one that's internal. And you can go ahead and remove these two, so you just right click and then go ahead and remove. And I do not recommend deleting them because you might want to come back and use them later down the line. So this is how you get the extrusion. This is one way of doing it. And to me, this is the easiest way of doing this. I mean, you could use the emboss commands and all the stuff like that, but I find this is the easiest way of doing this. And these are sticking up 1 millimeter from the surface. And whether the surface is here, it's 1 millimeter all around here. And it's just hugging the surface like that. So that's going to do it for this short little video. I just want to show you guys how to make these extrude instead of cutting down into the surface itself in case you need these to stick up a little bit. And so yeah, so anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the like button as well. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them down in the comments section. And also I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly IRC. And there's some nice people who can help you out with all your questions and stuff like that you may have. And yeah, and also, like I said in my previous videos, I'm trying to make this my full-time job, teaching you guys how to do this. And if you can, go ahead and send the super things or go over to my Patreon site and join that. And so, yeah, but at the least, you can do is just hit that subscribe button and like button. It really helps the channel grow, and appreciate every one of you, and we will catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.